Hi, today we're making the celebration cake featuring a souffle style sponge cake or Castella cake. Start by preheating an oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a water bath and line an 8x3 cake pan with parchment paper. In a small saucepan, add butter and milk and let that heat until the butter has melted and the milk is just steamy but not boiled. In a large bowl, add cake flour and salt and we'll whisk that together. And then whisk in the milk and butter mixture until the batter is smooth. Next we'll whisk in 6 egg yolks and a little bit of vanilla extract. Then we'll make a meringue with the 6 egg whites. And a little bit of cornstarch is optional. You get a airier cake with the cornstarch. Whisk until frothy and then we'll slowly add in sugar and whisk until we get stiff peaks. We'll fold the meringue into the batter starting with just a little bit and then gradually adding the rest until we get a smooth mixture. Pour into the prepared pan and place in the hot water bath and bake for 75 to 80 minutes. Let it cool in a pan for a few minutes before running an offset spatula around and turning onto a rack and cooling completely. Use a serrated knife to cut in half for 2 layers. You can make an optional compote filling. To make the whipped cream frosting, we'll need 3 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of instant vanilla pudding mix, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we'll whisk that together, then adding about 1/4 cup of confectioner sugar. Whisk until it's nice and fluffy. Fill the cake, frost it, and decorate it any way you like, and that's it. It's easy peasy. Enjoy. For this recipe, tips, and more, visit craftstocrumbs.com.